Yeah, character-wise, today. We've met Minnie. I said I get the priority pass because of my spinal problems, and even with that, we waited close to an hour to see Minnie. We then, after we've done a few things. We went to see Mickey. That was about a 5-minute wait. It was so quick. And then we met Darth Vader. And yeah, I apparently I'm rebel scum. I am the problem. But yeah, Darth Vader was great as always. Always loved meeting Darth Vader. We went to Donald and Daisy were out, and they weren't at a location meet. They were just at one of the
character spots.
Put
people.
And we couldn't join with the pass. We couldn't join the queue or anything because with the outside character spots, you have to book a return time. So very similar to Princess Pavilion, and all the slots had gone by lunchtime.